welcome back to the Peacock Homestead. Today I was going to show you how I make my bread recipe. And it's just regular yeast bread, and I use that to make my pizza dough as well. And I store my pizza dough in the fridge, and I take it out for a quick, easy use. It usually takes about a couple hours to thaw up, so it's a pretty quick thaw. So for this recipe, I'm using regular all-purpose flour. It's going to be 5 to 6.5 cups of flour. So I try to go for 6 exactly and go from there. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of yeast or 3 little packets. And then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of sugar. 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, avocado oil. I'm going to be using olive oil, just regular olive oil. And then you're going to want to use 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I use Himalayan pink salt. And then 2.5 cups of water. And you're going to knead that for 5 minutes. And then after I take it out of the mixer, I usually knead it for 5 minutes more. But I don't think I did it this time. But we're going to at least knead it for 5 minutes. And it's going to feel like a big marshmallow. And then you're going to let it rise for an hour. Punch it down. And then you're going to either package it up and put it in the freezer, or this is what I also make my hot dog rolls with. I make my hamburger rolls, or any kind of buns that I use. Like actually yesterday, I made hamburger buns before I went to work, and bread, and this is the recipe that I used. And we're going to bake that if you're going to be making bread, you're going to be baking that at 375 degrees for 40 minutes. And if you're going to be making pizza dough with it, you're going to be baking it at 425 degrees for 14 minutes. And if you're going to be making hot dog buns or hamburger rolls, you're going to bake that at 375 for 15 to 18 minutes. And I will have the recipe down in the description box below. I usually measure this out into 3 separate parts because I'm making 3 pizza doughs. So it's usually about 500 grams a piece. But I usually weigh the whole thing and then divide it by 3. But today I am just going to be measuring it out, making sure it's all around the same size. And then that is it. I'm going to package these up and put them in the freezer and have quick, easy pizzas. And it really helps because you don't want to go to the store after work. You just want to take it out in the morning before you go to work, and then by the time you get home, your pizza dough will be thawed. I would thaw it in the fridge, and then you can make a quick, easy pizza for you and your family.